Do you want to create a text sticker in WhatsApp? You can make a sticker in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To create a text sticker in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, open the chat conversation where you want to send the sticker. Tap on the sticker icon in the text input box. Now, a new screen will open with different options. From here, tap on the sticker option. Here, you will see different stickers. Now, tap on the search icon to start making a new text sticker. Now, in the search box, type the text you want to appear as a sticker. After that, WhatsApp will immediately create different text-based stickers. Tap on the sticker to send it to the chat conversation. Once sent, your created text sticker will appear in the chat and be saved in your recent stickers.